Okay guys, this is a quick video where I will just review this this selfie stick, which also doubles as a tripod stand. So otherwise, this is a very cheap. The expensive versions where they follow you where you are, they have a motor. This one is just a simple one. So in this one, let's see what comes in the box. Let's just check what comes in the box. Okay, all right, there we go. So all right, so this is what comes in the box. There's the box itself and the actual selfie stick, which is wrapped in this little paper. Then here in the box, there's no manual, there's nothing else here. So in the box, this is just what comes. There's no manual, otherwise it's written here on the box. If you want the manual for this, just scan this code here. Otherwise, the details which are here, there's Bluetooth. I'll just zoom in so that you can read for yourself. So the box aside, let's look at the actual selfie stick. Well, it's made out of plastic, but the inside part, this looks like real metal. So otherwise, it's able to stand like that. Then it also has this part where you put your phone. You can tilt it like that. Of course, your phone comes somewhere here. You open this. This is where you clamp your phone. According to the box, they say the phone has to be between 3.5 and 6.2 inches. Though I put my phone, which is 6.7, it just fits in well. Otherwise, in terms of height, well, it can go up to 68 centimeters. Yeah, 68 centimeters. That is more than half a meter. That's how far this can go. Then the coolest part of this, the coolest feature, is this little remote that it comes with. Yes. I'll just zoom in. So this is the little remote that comes with this remote. It has a shutter button. This is the capture button, and then there is just an indicator. So if I press, you just press hold, then you see a blue flashing light. Then you connect it to your phone. This is a remote. It has nothing really to do with the stand itself, but has everything to do with your phone. So once it pairs with your phone, when you press once, it takes a shot. It takes a photo. If your video app is the one which is open, when you press once it starts capturing, then the second press, it stops capturing. So, and there's a very neat trick they've put on how to safely store this so that you don't lose it. You just slide it there. It's very secure. You can't just lose it. Very secure there. Okay, am I doing that? Okay. All right. Yeah, just like that. And then when closing it, this comes like that. Then there are two those prongs that go down there. Then you close this tab where you put your phone. You twist this one, and then it becomes a very, very small thing. You can just put it in your pocket, in your bag, and just be on the go and use it anywhere you want. So who is this for? This is for people that travel a lot, but you can't carry too much luggage. It's good for selfies or just a tripod where you can just mount your camera. It can be even a GoPro, anything that you can mount there. This is just a stand at the end of the day. And the Bluetooth, it supports both Android, iOS, so you can just use it with any device. And it's also good for people who are starting their YouTube careers, Instagram, TikTok, whatever that you are into, where you just need to put something, a phone or anything, so that you can do your work.